Hey, Ahmed, how are you?
Hi, Stella. Morning.
Good morning.
Wow, new place, new environment.
I have a new home. It's very nice, but it's quite empty at the moment, so I need to fill it with things.
Yeah, I can hear the echo.
Yeah, I'm trying to put a lot of stuff inside the room just to kind of stop it from echoing, but yeah, I'll have to add more things.
Yeah, when you messaged me and told me I am moving, I imagined like, wow, Stella. She said among a mountain of boxes, she's
Yeah,
moving.
yeah. I was among a mountain of boxes last week because last week I had to pack up everything. So I had boxes everywhere, but I was able to unpack a lot of them. So yeah.
So wow, are you happy with the new place?
Oh yeah, it's beautiful. It's a bit bigger and I have a garden, so I can do a little bit of gardening. So that's awesome.
Uh-huh. So it's not apartment, it's a house.
Yeah, it's a house. It's in an estate. So there's lots of houses. They look exactly the same. So
Yeah.
it's a bit smaller than a freestanding house, but it's bigger than my apartment. So I'm happy.
Yeah. So does your house nearby grocery stores or maybe the transportations is nearby to your house?
Am I close to a grocery store?
Yeah.
Yeah. I can actually walk to one, but I always drive because I have a lot of packets and I'm lazy, so I just drive.
Yeah, I can understand you. So since you are moving, I want to talk about like moving and maybe I'm going to learn some vocabulary
Yeah.
related with the moving. So when you moved to your new house, did you need to repair your house or just set in your house?
Do you mean repair my house?
Like painting the walls or maybe remodels stuff.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so I painted some of the walls that needed painting.
Okay.
Yeah, because they were dirty, so I tried washing them, but then I just ended up painting over the
Painting.
over the dirt. So I had some painting done. Well, I painted it myself. Um, do you know what cornices are?
Corner.
Cornices?
Cornices.
Yeah, I typed it in the.
Cornices. No, this is new for me.
Yeah.
What
Okay.
does it mean?
So cornices are those edges. I think you can see it on my ceiling. Do you see
Uh-huh.
that?
Yeah.
So between the ceiling and the wall, there's
The wall.
this
Yeah, yeah.
thing, the strip. It's called a cornice. It's usually made of
Cornice.
wood or some soft material. So to paint
Yeah.
that is very tricky because you shouldn't actually get paint on the cornice, but it's very difficult because it's right there and I don't know, you need a very thin paintbrush. So that took me
Yeah. It's
forever, but I finally finished the paint job.
so you added these cornices.
They were already there, but they were white and the wall was gray, so I had to paint very carefully.
Yeah, yeah. So you
Yeah.
painted by yourself or you needed someone to do this job?
No, I painted it by myself. I watched YouTube videos and I figured out how to do it. So
Wow.
yeah, I didn't get someone to paint it for me. I just did it myself, which I probably regret because it took a lot of time. So next
Yeah,
time I will find someone.
yeah. So did you need someone to help you to move your stuff, like movers?
Yeah, we had some movers. So my father knew a guy who has a truck and some
Yeah,
staff. So they came and moved all the furniture because, I mean, I couldn't pick up the fridge all by myself. So yeah, we had some movers and they moved everything. And it was raining on the day that we moved. So
wow.
they needed a lot of sails and tops to cover the furniture. But most of the furniture was dry, so yeah, that was good.
Wow. So you picked like a day in the rain,
It
a
was
rainy
raining
day.
the whole day, and not just a drizzle. It was raining
Pouring.
Pouring, yes, raining and pouring, and it was
Oh
just so
gosh.
wet. It was cold as well.
So your your furniture turns to like wet.
Some of it got wet, like a few chairs, but it's not really that bad. It's not like because the appliances need to stay dry, right? Your washing machine
Yeah.
and your
Yeah.
dishwashing machine needs to stay dry, so at least that stayed dry. So that was good.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. So, can you tell me like how many bedrooms over there in your house?
This house has 3 bedrooms. So
Yeah.
yeah, my previous house had only 1. So it's definitely an upgrade.
Yeah. Now you have like wow, a big space.
So much space. As you can see, I don't have any stuff to fill my space, so I need to
Yeah.
get some
You
more
need to go
stuff.
shopping.
Yeah, but things are expensive. Wow. When last did you buy a couch? Couches are super expensive.
Yeah, and you have you have to like to choose it carefully in terms of the color, in terms of the like what do you call it, like the space,
Yeah,
like
so you go, I think you go according to a color scheme. Is that what you mean?
yeah, yeah, exactly.
So you want everything to sort of fit and fit your color scheme. So you don't want everything just to look random.
So yeah, that's what I'm talking about. What do you prefer, like the colors?
It's always safe to go with beige and gray and black and white. So then you
Uh-huh.
can always add color with rugs and cushions and things like that, or pictures.
So yeah,
Yeah,
all this stuff you have to fit all this stuff, like
yeah,
the furniture, maybe the paintings on the
exactly.
walls.
Yeah. What's moving behind you? Is that your couch or is that an animal? Can you see? There's something
Yeah,
moving.
yeah,
What is that?
yeah. I used to put like a rug on
Oh,
my couch,
okay.
because I have kids. Otherwise, they will like they make it dirty.
Yeah, okay. Is it your
Yeah,
couch?
yeah.
Okay.
This is
So the fan, okay, the fan is blowing the couch and that's why it's
eh,
moving. I thought it was a dog or something because it's furry and I just see it moving, so I thought it was a dog wagging its tail or something.
yeah. The other day I reviewed my session, and I noticed that that rug. Wow.
It's
Like
moving. It looks like an
yeah,
animal. It looks like you have a pet in the background.
yeah, exactly. I get used to it. It's normal for me, but it's new
Yeah.
for you.
Yeah, it's new for me because I mean I can see the other couch right next to it and it looks the
E-
same. So I kind of
e-
just asked if
So
it's an animal.
here, here in my country, I like for me, I used to like paint the walls, like the room has 4 walls. Okay,
Yeah.
so I used to like paint like one wall with the color, and the rest of the room one color.
Oh,
So,
okay.
do you have that idea there in your house?
In my previous apartment or flat, I
Yeah.
had that. We call it an accent wall. So if
Uh-huh.
you paint one wall a different color and it stands out, it's called an accent wall.
Accent wall.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. So what about your new house? Did you
No,
plan?
all
Did
the
you
walls
plan
are the
to
same.
make
It's all
are the
beige
same?
and creamy. So I need to maybe do some painting, but I've done enough painting for this year, so maybe I'll do it next year. I'm
So when
tired.
you yeah, I can see. So when you paint the walls, like you have had like a ladder
Yeah, I've
to
had a ladder and a roller. Do you know
yeah,
the
the roller, yeah,
roller and the paint brushes? And
yeah.
you need to have some sort of a plastic or a tarp. Do you know what a tarp is? It's almost like a
Mm,
sail. It's just
trap. It's like a
tarp.
tarp. It's like
Mm.
like a big bowl.
A tarp is like a sail or a big piece of plastic
Where
that you
can
can
put the the paint.
you put it on the floor, so it's bigger
Okay.
than it's not a bucket. It's like it's just a covering to cover the floor so that you don't
The floor.
spill. Yeah,
Yeah. I got you. Yeah.
yeah.
No, I'm lazy. For me, I don't put anything
And then you just spill.
and then
You just clean it afterwards with a cloth.
yeah, with the everything. Sometimes with my hands.
Oh no, okay, no. I learned the hard way that you should also use masking tape. Do you know what
Yeah.
masking tape is?
It's like a duct tape.
It's like the sticky tape, but this one is white and more papery in texture,
Masking
so that
tape.
you can,
Yeah, you can remove it easily.
yeah, you can peel it off very easily. So masking tape was very important, especially for the cornices,
You
like
have,
I said.
yeah. You have practiced very well from YouTube.
What? Oh yeah,
Yeah.
from YouTube. But you know what I
Yeah.
did? I painted first, and then afterwards I watched YouTube videos because I thought, no, I can paint. How hard can it be? And then after the first day, I was like, YouTube, help me.
Help
Because
me.
I obviously messed up the first day. It looked horrible. So I had to do that one over again.
So, did you paint it by like alone, or could you have like brothers, sisters helping you?
No, I had some friends over and they helped. And yeah, we were like a bunch of people painting.
Not for just you.
No, not just me. I would have taken forever.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Like it's a short time, like maybe a week. It took you
Yeah,
a
a
week. It
week,
took you a week,
2 weeks, maybe 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah. Yeah. So it took a while.
So did you purchase the house or you rent it out?
The previous house we're going to rent out, and this new house I purchased.
Oh,
Yay.
congrats!
Yeah.
So you don't have to pay for rent.
No, but I mean, paying the mortgage is similar to paying rent, right? So, you can either pay that money to rent a house from someone else, or you can pay it to pay off your own mortgage. So it's better to pay off your own mortgage than to rent from someone else and then not have a house in the end. Does that make sense?
No, actually, yeah. So you have,
So
you
it's
don't have
almost,
to.
it's the same as renting. So if you rent from someone,
Yeah.
you have to pay them a certain amount
Okay.
in a month. But buying your own house, you still have to pay a certain amount to pay off your mortgage or your loan from the bank.
Okay. Got
Makes
you.
sense?
Got you. Yeah. Got
Yeah.
you. What do you call it? Mortgage?
Mortgage, yes. It's spelled funny. It's like we say it mortgage, but we spell it mortgage.
So
Look,
Stella,
that's the spelling.
so now you own your house, okay? But you have to pay to your house, like for a period of time, and then you will not pay for the house. Like this is my house. This is for me now.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah, so like not a lot of people are able to buy a house with cash. So you have to get a loan from the bank,
A
and then
loan.
you pay the loan back, which is called the mortgage on your house.
Yeah.
And then once that is paid off, then you own the house. Is that what you meant?
Yeah, I got you. I understand you. More. More.
So
I pronounce it like more.
you pronounce it mortgage, so the T is silent. So it's spelled mortgage, but we say it mortgage.
Mortgage.
Perfect.
Mortgage. Yeah. Wow. That's new for me.
Yeah. Okay, good. So you learned a lot of words today, hopefully.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much.
Yeah, that was good. Time is almost up. So I spoke to Joelson, and he will speak to you and Marcelo about if you still want to do the live lesson.
Maybe next Sunday.
Yeah,
he told
whenever.
me like we will go live like next Sunday.
Okay. Yes, that's perfect.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, let me know.
Yeah. Thank you. Have a
Bye.
good day. Bye
You
bye.
too. Bye bye.
Bye bye.